Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
God, help these afflicted women and children who return to Karbala. On the day of Arbaeen, they returned to visit the Prophet's son. They revived the memory of Ashura, so that the pilgrims will come this way. And the doves of the Haram came to welcome them. And they took gifts from them. And they spread the call of their hardships and suffering in the east and west of the world. And the blood of these pious martyrs will be avenged when the promised Savior comes. Pilgrims from all over the world come here. They came to the land of immortality. To renew their pledge to Haider, they came to heaven, and they arrived with Imam Mahdi. And the earth turned green from their arrival. And they walk on the path of immortality. To reach Karbala, a land of sacrifice. And over the years, this land echoes the shouts of the pilgrims.